Hellcat.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy GhostTV8, man. I'm back with another video, back with another banger, man. Hey, man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I don't know what you're doing. The reason why I want you to subscribe is because I got a 500 subscriber cash giveaway going on. That video link will be in the description. Tap that video link, comment your Instagram name, comment done. Make sure you follow me on IG. You have to be subscribed to the channel and follow me on IG to the cash giveaway. So go ahead and do that, man. It's free to enter, so go do it, man. But hey, today is I'm replacing my factory yellow lights. So I'm gonna give y'all some footage of me taking it out, putting it in, show you the new headlights. I'll put that link in the description. Bought it from eBay. 4-sided LED bulbs, because the ones that come with the car are doo-doo, just like the Alpine system, man. Go check out that audio banger and tell me what you think about the JBL upgrade. Way better than the doo-doo system that comes with. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and jump. This is what I wanted to show y'all today. Hold on, this is not the lights, but you know I gotta get that reflective. But y'all see how the factory headlights are yellow. You come down to my fog lights, they HIDs, they look good. So I don't know why Dodge went with that. How you gonna have yellow headlights with some factory HIDs or halos, whatever you want to call them down there, but they don't match? So who would want that on the Dodge Charger to have non-matching headlights? But hold on, let's look at this again. Man, that thing's so hard. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get rid of this doo-doo right here. So that's another doo-doo thing gone. The Alpine system and these yellow headlights gone. Doo-doo. These are the lights I'm replacing the yellow ass factory. Let's see. I'm gonna put the link in the bio. These are LED bulbs, so they're not gonna get hot. Upside down, my bad. I had to compare them. Not really to compare, man. Just factory, aftermarket. So should be plug and play. There's a clip right there. There's that one right there. It comes with the cord. You gotta make sure to line up and everything. But let's go ahead and plug them in. What I'm replacing it with, you know, it got the fan to keep it cool. 4-sided, better than them 2-sided LED bulbs. But let's go ahead with the install. So first thing you're gonna do, you know, you're gonna remove this cap. It's on that side too. I gotta take that out. But it just sit right in there, and as you see it. So take this yellow thing out. Let's go ahead and get it out real quick. You always want to check it before you actually put it in there to do more work. Y'all see how bright that is, man. But I'll make sure I give y'all some night rolls. And make sure you do the same thing with the other one. Make sure you take your air filter out. Do that cap right there, man. Other than that, you win it. Because it's daytime. But when it goes nighttime, I'll give y'all some nighttime rolls of them. But other than that, man, they're both installed. Here is the factory one. Let's get this cold start in real quick. Not so much of a cold start, but I'm gonna show you what these factory lights look like. They're pretty damn bright. And those are the lights that I put in. I installed them. Look real good. Bright as shit. So man, make sure y'all do this upgrade. One major upgrade that y'all need to do. Get rid of them ugly yellow factory halogen bulbs, whatever you want to call them, out of the car. And but other than that, man, this will end the video right here. This will end the video right here, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're going up all 2020 cash giveaway still going on, man.
Hellcat.